Hi, it's me, Victoria, and today I'm gonna be showing you my slime. And this is my baby brother. So what's your name?
Okay.
Oh, his name is Draven, and that's his monkey. He's so cute, isn't he? So slime is in this purse. So yeah, I'm gonna take off my shoes right now. I better hurry because I don't have a lot of time to make my video. Draven, can you get something? Can you get that blue plate over there? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go get it? So I can fix it? Yeah, we'll be right back. Run, Draven, go get it. Hurry up, it's blue plate. It's by the cup. Draven, blue cup, blue plate. Draven, right there.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. Right there, Draven. Sorry. No, the blue plate. Blue. Yes, that. Finally! He got the blue plate. Can I see it? Get back on the bed. Here it is. He'll be playing with it too. It's like, this is a blue plate. So, and here is, it's a slime package, actually. I just got it today. Actually, it's a slime package. I had to order it, but I technically made it. So I'm gonna put it to where you can see the plate. Okay, Draven, I'm gonna put the slime pack and then you get through, okay? Can you see? Y'all can see the plate? Okay. Hear me? So my baby brother is playing with my Elsa doll. So let's start playing with it. So it's blue. This is the color of it because he's tied. Can you hear it though? You're gonna hear it, guys. What in the world? Nothing. Hold up, guys. Draven! That was me, you know, guys. Let's see if you can hear the dog's cage.
Mimi.
So he's drooling, as you can see. I'll show you up close his face. So, that's it. So he's being crazy. Sorry, we can't do that right now, but Draven, stick your tongue out. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Say comment down below.
Bye.
He said comment down below. Say comment down below. And say what's your favorite color and what's your favorite slime.
Yeah.
He said what's your favorite slime. So say give a like and subscribe. Hey, so give a like and
Happy Friday.
Say give a like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. And give a and I hope we get a lot of views today, so and a lot of likes and a million subscribers. Say that. Say a million subscribers. I hope to get a million subscribers. I hope you guys give us a million subscribers. I'm sorry for my face, but bye guys.